Enti me kobi na man ka bi de mpanimfo se enye oh ana oman ba pa de e should be happen. I was to me kire wa adwen e wo ho. Eni senti no Bonohene abe clash with Felix Naa Koryoo. Efa entro be difa Hawa Koomson ho no. Maka se mi ko emu de. Felix Naa Koryoo ya booking no oh. Eye premium pro mass. What does it? Eye bookings mu pro mass. Already bookings eye pro mass. Ai. Bonohene abe clash with Felix Naa Koryoo. Na fi media no so o ma so mo edit ne pansam na. Me ma nchire mu no akire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Meso say ni dey mo. Obe like video no ada ma bo subscribe button so na be click bell notification icon of latest updates and be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section. Mesa so oba so a no one share for so anya bi ahwe. Etenye no ade a trend e wo Ghana ha ma e Felix Naa Koryoo. Member of Parliament for Wutu Senior East constituency. Ni nyina fa asem a obeka ye during the election day of 2024, the night of the election, Obeka said, Hawa Koomson and the boys, I be attack or no, Felix Naa Koryoo and the boys. I'm at the end of the day, no. Hawa Koomson and the boys, I shoot it on the boys, me, I'm a Omawu. I'm on no crown as I don't be a torn so, and I know anchor. Okay, interview, our Captain Smart shows, on your TV, just said, that 19 day, Ghana ha. Neni pene bebre na abo afuko na nkomu nyombe ko Hawa Koomson fie akopene kuno je se ene me course ga ha na enya asem kuma ensemfo we lady be kan no e cause mayhem basa power man and because of that crown e be si nei eni pene bi da so adwen bi se Hawa Koomson eye wudi ni babu jan se na asem enya no kro bi je na nsi yi ana interior minister honorable Muntaka Mohammed set a task force bi ese election 2024 no violence is a whole do course word omyanhwemu na omran update ehwemu course investigations course no ene ko bisa Felix Naa Koryoo say na be boy investigation Felix Naa Koryoo ngo kasa issue na obekan nyina no nokre bia nim na even kan na o claim ye o narrative story say na ote ma hindu pick up mo no na on take biam say I just erade nyame hey Felix Naa Koryoo hey, Felix. Chele was on ticket years or me ho bebia. 80 boys enipa e course baswasa e wa kanso ho no no wo hu obia but just that she just wanted to tarnish the image of Hawa Koomson. And then you recall about Hawa Koomson they say Hawa Koomson and the boys and abe course baswasa e wo ho no. Nipa bayifo nipa bonsam nipa bayifo na saadi we no ala we say Bonohene e tell say maame we ye disgrace to womanhood emma ye disgrace
aya awutu senya east mp mebu obeti facha me Naa Koryoo ana asa no mfre no Naa Koryoo ode Felix okuno Naa Koryoo or you're disappointed person.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
I'm disappointed in her as MP. Maybe I would to senior is constituency. Now one pinia can't no na catcher and say, well, you guasia. I'm a constituency no.
Wash.
Why you guasia or my Ghana? Nashabia Naa Koryoo no. Why you guasia mama and Ghana? Naa Koryoo. Because of political expediency, me petumi inti, mamini semhunu, enkan semhunu, na me mfanyi to me, na me ji to me we are, ma beka no krachere Ghana for. Are we jokers in this country?
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Ye yam krawo krom ha. To when ana ya dwene no ebe pija. Ye petumi a and ya kwamboni be a before ye benya to me NDC for the Sir Johnson said katia human sacrifice grab ye. No I can't say no the nya to me no. Ye wo kroma na Naa Koryoo wa babon tembe ka say Hawa Koomson. What did the car call? Well, who yana Hawa Koomson? Then the car no mututuo pay. And perform yenu was so move here. Was in the agency me no ye. Not to Kanumbi. Brano mututuo no. Nyamuta kwaba was it Hawa Koomson targeting no sir. What person will call no Naa Koryoo.
Wash.
Now, interior minister, I'm not saying it. Naa Koryoo and Woman on the ticket of NDC. Muntaka, a interior minister because of NDC. Was your move friend, task force of our committee at your friend Naa Koryoo, man Naa Koryoo, I'm a tenacity. Koryoo on it, saying. What the bank crying, Koryoo, Munchame, Salmon Pank and Koryoo, saying.
Say I am out of Banny Binim Pensa.
What maintenance was it BBNC? Naa Koryoo on it, was it BBNC? Yan to the two of the that means obedient tro. Ghana constitution on your friend be fear and panic. Obedient tro because you are too wages me and who what cause of fear and panic. What didn't tro?
Hey, now before to be catch
Actual police will crumb her. Yawa IGP will crumb her. Interior minister no crown on come here no Musia Munchano. Naa Koryoo wine one time maybe will crumb her. NDC Naa for Naa Koryoo to me MP.
You can't we also bury set your mind. You can't we also bury set your mind.
Near can hear Naa Koryoo so ya did MP.
You can't we also bury set your mind.
No one bedding tracks and mooning in Samina Mitina Hakasa, me coffee, ya to me to me producers, me and Wu, Casambre, me the Casa and Yano Cremebois, Kia Chime.
Hey, now before to be catch
Come across fear and panic. Who is Naa Koryoo?
Way boy.
Naa Koryoo was such a Ghana 1992 constitution.
Wash.
Me can't IGP say. Naa Koryoo was so a official complaint my police for. Hawa Koomson about to me wa. And the IGP no, send the interior minister and say, was it BBNC? Now one ticket more IGP won't question Naa Koryoo. Sounds some who way in Kwasia, some way sabe. Naa Koryoo way, or by way to a chrome hadi yentino, and a Hawa Koomson, ya call bonnet and I say, I want to not. Because we create impression, and to a man for team, and Penty, Hawa Koomson black. So I treat you on so. Do a bopa. Me cry the enemy one say be an Naa Koryoo on the ball, Bramlanten, pass on Mukodi Sans Huno, because the wire no, be beyond Sonny yet. Now wait till my image with the film, my taxpayers' money, ye the Gianica. Where you want to know my image with the film, but the taxpayers' money, yes, and one who will soon be a Gianica. Sunday, I come over because I'm not so the feeling in Ashi. A tumpine, and throw forward. Quantum for forward. So I MP. NDC. Nanka party bend with my MP.
Way boy.
And to walk call. Sa committee nasi we ya. Wakasa BBNC. No any one. Nanka sabi nyansam. Wa babon thing. Common sense. No patrol. Says because of political expediency. Because of power. Ghana for fanchemi. But on the number. Obian to me cheno. One man will be mammy, innocent person. Hawa Koomson, ya call Bono Qua. Because will be a walk on himself, Samamino, it was an oil so to two. Now, many Hawa Koomson, I'm telling you today. Men fan, Game fan, Naa Koryoo. Men, come in, come see you. Well, come and massy. Wakumi kunan mase. Wakumi party and mase. Wakumi man mase. To the extent, sir, Hawa Koomson back where I attacking no one is a kind because of Naa Koryoo. Yanko Kanyanti as in Naa
Koryoo. Good morning. Sometimes you hear video be say ya, aji diatem because to Bible cry say Jimmy patakola kumang. Na mtiasi aba enti awusu senya MP uye kurasini amintu sebi uye oba fun oba wuni abadan enti na chese boy ekoboye maame Hawa Koomson nyina na chese eya trone selfish interest enti maame wu yanka wawu kwa adana mama politics ye chansa me say nyame obosro bo asase ewutu senya MP obetwa woka me fa wo mankan me fa obusu yankan because embra wo ko jimi no na wo mu ni wo oba besi abadai da wo ye mu ntinti ye ko bu Hawa Koomson free ye ko tietia maami wo bone a on ye atoro semunti aw e wotu se nya Penyah betwa aka na Koryoo obebre pa foolish woman.
Yes, so when the fundamental basis of a propaganda are weak, the rule of karma will surely expose you. Vindication, they say, is in the womb of time. When yours is not here, keep calm and wait for it. It will surely arrive. So you see this whole Honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson's issue that just came out some few days ago. I've just been trying to program that issue. I've just been trying to understand that issue. I've been trying to decode that issue. I just want to get understanding on that issue. But so now I have not gotten any understanding. I don't know the reason why a fellow woman would have to sit down and cook stories against her colleague woman that contested her in a parliamentary election in this nation. I have just been trying to understand this issue. Person metisa issue we are so I say menti ase. Hwe or how I yemu bia yeta honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson echi ya fam. Let me use myself as an example. Personally on campus, as a student on campus. Sometimes utumi post when honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson picture na comment obi to me comment and say sa my friend saying sa a friend say a violence woman. Let me use the word violence woman we and udinichi. These are some of the words people use on campus for us. These are some of the comments people give when you post pictures or when you try to campaign for honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson, just because of a cool story. Na yemponunu. Let us put ourselves in the shoes of honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson. Yempo aye etitafo. Yeah, ye followers umpo na mukasa achire. Let us put ourselves in the shoes of honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson. How would you feel? Say uti ubi a unim bibi ho hwe na ye de ato so. Yesi wekum nipa. Enti ne enka yekum nipa anka nipa na yekum de sha na ya enka nda me no nka se enka ona Mrs. Hawa Koomson enka onti ase. Isan say wo de ntro ewe ya to so. A wankasa wonim se enya no kore. Enti we a member of parliament am punto ben and all the beba wumpotemu. No wonder and a castle till now 10 months now who developments be our castle has say ye can't almost say or a first time MP. We have a lot of first time MPs in various constituencies. Omubu Juma, the likes of Ahmed Jerry Shaib. Omubu Juma NDC for MP before in a prison. He is a first time MP. A first time MP, so I can't say. No wonder the woman cannot do anything. Ucha atro edito onyanko ba so say asay atanshe ni image a disgracé no adama obia hu mame ye bo akumsin dan no Mrs. Hawa Koomson bi pe na ye de etuturu asem na ye de kobata ho isana asem a wotena wo dem ekuki ye. Just look at the poster. Ghana movie industry collapse. We honestly need people like Honorable Naa Koryoo because she is 100% an actor. Yeka actor, and I say actress. Let me put that way. Sorry, yeka actress. Honorable Naa Koryoo actress ankasa. Until senka on free parliament or no join Ghana movie industry no more revive kuma would na guno. Or no almost any here more. Hey, but how? I mean, then crying about what you want to say a cookie story on your colleague woman. And the Obazongo mo bia the can sound Mrs. Hawa Koomson to troni or ye violence or tutu or yes say. And then your friend will say, come and give us details into this issue. Or say you are denying that you were not there at the scene. So I say now will be chat to say, what's a car mo yes and then we'll say we need her. Now so Endra now what TV3 air catcher Captain Smart say we are 6 na motika no na 2 ball car no. No, Abu Muyantafo na one country. Honorable Muyantafo and a one country. Think also catch as a Muyantafo. And a unia watano and a not a canum and a assembly sea hot into watano never casai and a also casende. Eh. We are just in a happy mood, and you know, today we are just happy. I know the queen. We are just happy. We thank God. By this time, everybody should be praying for a God like the God of Honorable Mrs. Hawa Koomson.
o bompire o do nkoto jogu fom na o bompire na o bompire nyankopon mame friend say ye mesa na wo ye honorable me bisa Hawa Koomson no sa na wo say wo bo bompire isan say mame nyankopon etwitwaje no papa and ye mu bi na ye nim say ye da nyankopon betwitwaje no because mame na ye ka honorable me bisa Hawa Koomson e kan say onye obi a obetumi egu nanim ase across scot free because honorable me bisa Hawa Koomson a day adeche akokobo kokoko amanfo a omunya nsuo nom e wo maame ni nsem amanfo omunya aduane de wo maame ni nsem no ene nhira asaafo yi ehira no enye yi se obetumi atanish ni image across scot free
Naa Koryoo ede na me titi wo se dai wo se honorable Hawa Koomson wa attack o we deny ni a wo kan 2024 I quite remember 2024 7 December Krano be posti wo so 7 December na ye to aba e na be posti sa de no wo be posti wo so say Hawa Koomson you see she doesn't respect one bit. Hawa Koomson tried to kill me. Two of my agents are dead. And I was like, wow. And I was like, that time, no man, no so crat ni fie. That day when Pianko, and I was like, wow. I was like, hey, what is going on? And then the Abase who deny. Even when I was a victim, no campo refused to talk. Like seriously? Naa Koryoo, as a young lady, I was siswa. Who your politics are who for say that you person call him. Who for quite be brave so disrespecting mommy for no reason. Yes, ye baby a mammy say I'm a munjaino. Who for quite be brave so disrespecting mommy for no fucking reason. Obi Bob Rockland a better work as well. Naa Koryoo baby. Accuse honorable Hawa Koomson. Obi sin ebetua Naa Koryoo accuse honorable Hawa Koomson. I quite remember incident bi see ye bra asam to ye bra ba ko bi. Naa Koryoo tried everything possible say. I didn't see and Hawa Koomson ne boys ni bi and it was intentional whatever. December incident be sense here. And also the same thing. You were trying to accuse this woman. And I'm a minimum moshe. And that day, Abbas say, what say? Mammy, ever hifa. Abbas say, Nadia, who was say, Bibi sensi. Naa Koryoo, wo, Nyameti asiampa. Nyame woti asiampa. Video in you. One of the collective cases. Muntie. Which is IOPC. I went to testify first. I realized that there was a DA. Which is Hawa Koomson DA. Muntie. Oh. And the rest, the third point I complained about. They have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact, they shot at my car several times.
A few moments later. 2024 election violence cases, starting with Ewutu Senior is concerned.
Get away. Oda bompa na kache nyankopɔ se nyame mfa obɔ nchew. Yeni na ye fum nipa we are not perfect. Ma not the when na. No betimi ye twan to kese a e betimi di nipa ko jail. Atu nipa so. Eti se de woku nipa. Oda bompa na kache nyame se nyame mfa obɔ nchew. Politics is not about killing her or destroying your opponent and I said destroying your sister or your brother. No. When it comes to politics, we bet me to control in the platform amuni na mo so am pese obi e Canada ama ne party up power not to the sense say obi twan truck a CSA. Be twan truck a CSA e dia to unua so ana sebi obi so. Yes, yemfa eche enhye kotojo. Ni yemfa beti nso na didi hia. Onso wa pray awe no hu. Wa pray no hu obi abetena ka so city so 12 good years. Wo betena so nansan ya wu afi na 1 year mu na wu kui ohun kwa ohun wa nkofo ma ye ohun kwa press conference be 10 uka say easy being an MP ufo say easy one me ya sure say okotene fi out ukutila dem out me ka say honorable Hawa Koomson ayade papa wayade papa wo 1 year mayo ohun say de wo si bre wo hun kwa press conference wo kwa wa nkofo first time show nkofo say de mo ye press conference against you uka say easy ye de nyame ase because ni amodwen fa ma me no ho NDC for de mo power na mo buy ni na titru NDC titru power mo buy ni na titru ni aye Honorable Hawa Koomson ho you guys was trying to everything possible sanka ma me no mo de beto animguase mo but you see ye twen second one so besan aba ye nim se second nipa wo ho no mafa akoma panante wo de akoma panante a obi be ye wo de wo do be kwa aduro ye den obegu animu asese den nyame ebe ma wo ho afi Hawa Koomson Nyankopon is working
mama nka se mi jire Honorable Naa Koryoo asama Honorable mutakeke Naa Koryoo yi Honorable say yampa dia na wo so badi wo yawo inti Honorable mutaka.
So 2024 election violence cases, starting with Ewutu Senya East constituency, that's Kaswa. The task force observed that the Honorable Líes Naa Koryoo Okeno denied that her convoy was attacked. She was nowhere near the scene of the incident. Persons who were involved in the incident have avoided speaking with the task force, while Muhammad Ali and others who were in the Mahindra pickup truck and fired shots from their vehicle have also avoided speaking with the task force. So their opinion have not been established. Muhammad Ali is said to have been flown abroad for further treatment. The late Yusuf Larry Idris died from a gun.
Honorable Naa Koryoo twice, man. Honorable Naa Koryoo. Emissary. Sasamwa Interior Minister Eken. I am passing Sasamana Yampadia. Honorable Naa Koryoo. Badi umuya. Badi umuya. Na man for what Ewutu Senya so di umuya. Say Yampadia me. Honorable mutaka in transfer. Say Yampadia Naa Koryoo. Oku mwenu mas. Honorable. What disgracé will say Francasa? Asama, and the Asama Honorable mutaka kain. So you want pass a Yampadia. What good man for any mass? Number 2 will not say yaw, Honorable. Obadi, Kaun Cantro. Goba, Canto, the woman walker. Honorable 2 men are open, into our yes, sir. Secaswa for the 12 mountain, our yes, sir. Hawa Koomson will be a he. One day, Umai Van Damme, Tieni Dada. Yea, and this for any dada. But I am passing here. Interior Minister Kenya Badi, I don't want to call him a deal. And this is for the idea. And this is for the idea. And I want my my ancestry from say. Now so vibrant lady. No man says for that. Yeah, my most say party. We can't go that. The wide mammy, our comment session. I Penyah Block Media, Accra.